Hi guys, how you doing? Debbie here. Today we're gonna have a go at gilding flakes and Thermoweb Decafoil Transfer Gel Duo. Now we're not gonna do it with heat. I'm gonna wait till it dries and then I'm gonna go over it with our Express It Gold Metal Leaf Flakes. Okay, so I've got a stencil by Chloe's Creative Cards. Now I don't want it all because I need some space underneath so I can put a sentiment on. So holding it down as best I can with my magnets, and I've also put some low-tack sticky tape down to make sure it doesn't go where I don't want it to go. Okay, so I've got my bendable. Grab some out. Just move that one out of the way a sec. Okay, put it on and pull it towards me. Nice and gently, so we don't lift the stencil. Move that one. And just pull off the excess. And you can put the excess back in your tub. Oops. Okay. That's that. Now what I want to do is slowly pull the stencil up, but I want to pull it away from me so I don't have no chance of putting sticky fingers or anything else near it. Okay. And there we go. So we'll leave that to dry and I'll be back when it's dried. See you soon, guys. Hi guys. Okay, so it's all dried. As you can see, it's all gone clear. That means it's all dry, but it's tacky. So don't touch it. Now for the part with your flakes. If you're going to do this, turn your fans off, turn your aircon off, and don't breathe. Just kidding. Try your hardest not to breathe over it. Okay, here goes. I put a piece of card underneath too to try and contain all the bits. Attempt to anyway. I quite like this one because it comes, as you can see, in big chunks. So what we're going to do is just get it and dab it all over your paste. Okay. I just like to grab big chunks. That way you're not actually touching the paste underneath and the flakes are doing the work. Okay. And when you think you've got it all, pick up what you can, and then I like to just rub it around, and that'll get rid of majority of the big bits for you. Okay, so tap that off. Put these back because you can use them again. Well, actually, not done bad. We've not made that much of a mess yet. Okay, let's put the lid on those so they're nice and safe. Right, now I've got my paintbrush. what you want to do is just go into all your little bits and your nooks and crannies. Okay. And just keep tapping it off so you can see where you've been and where you need to go. This bit's a bit fiddly and time consuming, so what I'll do is I'll put you on speed up. I'll play some music for you. Okay, so there's that bit. How beautiful is that? Very shiny, and it's also raised up as well. Beautiful. So what I'm going to do next, I've got my base. It's got a stamping platform, and what I want to do is put a sentiment in that bottom corner. So to do that, I like to mat over the top, just so I can work out where I want it to be and where's level. A little bit up, I think. Okay, looks good to me. I'll grab your stamp and take my sheet off. Get your anti-static powder. And your Versamark. Okay. Just give it a stamp. Not too hard because I don't want the words smudging. Just a little bit on that G. Okay, that looks good. Let's grab that. Clean it in a second. Grab a scrap piece again. I'm going to use Wow Metallic Gold Rich Superfine. I think when you're doing delicate wording and stuff, the Superfine always turns out better. Okay. Just sprinkle that on there. Make sure it's caught everywhere. Give it a tap. Little tiniest of bits. Oops. Just stuck on that U. That's it. Let's just get this away. Get your heat tool. Don't forget to heat it up first. Okay, it's good to go. I'm going to come from behind and then from above. There it goes. That's that done. Let's get my clean rag. And then just make sure it's cooled down. And we're just going to buff off anti-static. There we go. I've got a 5 1/4 by 5 1/4 card base, and I'm going to attach it to that. So we need our double-sided. This is the Express It permanent double-sided, which I purchased from Spotlight, which is our nearest craft store. Okay, let's line that up. Adhere it down, and there you have it. Wishing you everything wonderful. Okay guys, any questions, just leave me a message in the comments and I'll get back to you. But apart from that, I'm done for today. If you could give me a like, subscribe, share, I'd be extremely grateful. Okay guys, thanks a lot. Bye.